Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best laser welding helmets reviews. The DMK Laser Welding Helmet Protective Mask ensures maximum safety for operators during welding tasks. With CE certification, it offers OD8 protection across 190 to 450 nanometers, 800 to 1100 nanometers ranges, effectively blocking harmful radiation. The KYG T3D7 electronic welder mask features a durable design, clear visibility, and reliable shielding for professional laser welding applications.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.